Here's Fabinho. Oh, that's a mistake given away to Moutinho, and it's Adama Traore. Well, that could have been a gift. Inch perfect for Matt Doherty, through to Saiss, and that comes back off Alisson. And fortunately for the goalkeeper, it's Fabinho who's first to react.
Great football by Wolves, really open Liverpool up.
Here's Fabinho. Now Mane. Fabinho puts it across. Oh, that was the touch of gold from Mohamed Salah. A beautifully cushioned effort to give the league leaders the perfect start here. That was short from Keita, given to Matt Doherty! And he got away with it.
Liverpool have 1-0 up, but they need half-time more than Wolves do.
And if you can't be playing for Liverpool, maybe the next best thing is to be supporting them, as Trent Alexander-Arnold is doing tonight. Salah. Keita with a hit that deflected, and Rui Patricio got himself in a spot of bother, then got a touch, but it almost rebounded in off a Wolves defender. Liverpool looking to exert some level of control. Robertson's ball in. Cleared only to Salah, straight back into the danger area, and Virgil van Dijk scores his first league goal for Liverpool that might just be the one that keeps them at the top of the table for Christmas. Vinagre dribbling towards Jimenez. Oh, and it's left behind, and Gibbs White puts it into the side netting. He had to react quickly. It was a chance that he would never have expected to occur.
Just takes his eye off the ball at the last minute. He's actually checking what's behind me, and the ball then gets stuck. You see that little look he has, and the ball gets stuck.